What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car cleaning kits for 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Starting our list of reviews, with the Turtle Wax Ultimate Car Care Kit, 2022's best value car kit. Inside and out product coverage, microfiber towels, foam applicators, and a potent bottle of odor eliminator make the Turtle Wax Ultimate Car Care Kit an excellent value. Turtle Wax has come a long way since it introduced the first liquid car wax in 1944, and the current product lineup is well represented in this affordable 10-piece kit. Zip Wax Car Wash cleans things up for detailing and helps maintain shine in between waxes. Scratch and Swirl Remover get the paint ready for the modern version of the original hardshell finish. Wax and Dry Spray Wax are easy to use and leave a durable shine in a single step. Dash and Glass Cleaner and Inside and Out Protectant team up for a clean cabin and clear views while Odor X attacks funky odors at the molecular level. A Wet End Black Tire Dressing is a classic finishing touch to any detailing job. Up next, the Maguires Motorcycle Care Kit, best for motorcycles in 2022. Maguires created this specialized kit with products formulated with motorcyclists in mind. Since the mechanical pieces of a motorcycle are often right up against the body work, 2- and 3-wheelers present a different set of cleaning challenges than their 4-wheel counterparts. A top-to-bottom soap and water car wash is overkill, especially after a ride. The Mist and Wipe Detailer makes short work of caked-on bugs and, if you have ridden well, the fine coating of rubber dust that was once part of the tires. Easy Clean Spray and Rinse is well suited for deeper cleaning, and Liquid Wax adds a durable protective shine in a single step. Plastic Cleaner and Polish work great on clear windscreens and gauges, and Metal Polish cleans to a mirror shine. Since no rider wants a slippery seat, Maguires cooked up a leather and vinyl conditioner that leaves no glossy slide behind. The kit also includes a premium quality microfiber towel. Moving to the next, the Chemical Guys 20-piece Arsenal Builder, the most inclusive kit in 2022. The Chemical Guys 20-piece Arsenal Builder is the one kit to get to clean, condition, protect, and shine every single surface, material, and finish on every kind of vehicle. An innovative and high-quality product lineup has earned the California-based company a dedicated following, and the comprehensive kit packs everything from heavy-duty cleaners to water-repellent fabric coatings. The Arsenal Builder also includes the tools for the job. The bucket and cyclonic dirt filter keep up to 4.5 gallons of soapy water clean and keep grime off microfiber towels and washing mitts. Applicators make waxing easy, and the short-handled brush has the right kind of bristles that other brushes don't. This kit comes with the Garden Hose powered foam gun soapy sprayer, which should be sufficient for most applications. If it isn't, the Chemical Guys have another kit with a foam cannon for pressure washer owners. Up next in our list of reviews, the Griots Garage 11131 Starter Car Care Kit, best budget car cleaning kit in 2022. The Griots Garage Starter Kit covers exterior and interior care with premium quality products made in-house by bona fide automotive enthusiasts. This kit features larger than sampler quantities that add up to considerable savings over individual purchases. It also includes a professional quality sprayer built to last through multiple refills. An innovative and reusable synthetic clay bar works during the car wash or with Speed Shine, Griot's quick cleaning product, to extract embedded grime and smooth out the paint. Car Wash and Will Cleaner get things clean and ready for detailing, and Best in Show Wax delivers a deep shine that protects against the elements for months. Vinyl and Rubber Dressing is a versatile performer on everything from interior surfaces to weather stripping and tires. The Satin Sheen Cleaner and Protectant delivers a showroom fresh look without over-the-top gloss. Speed Shine is also great for spot cleanups on the go or after a drive. Finally, the Maguires Complete Car Care Kit, best overall car care kit in 2022. The Maguires Complete Car Care Kit hits the trifecta of versatility, performance, and value. Premium products clean and protect from the roof to the tires, and the kit includes reusable microfiber towels, a washing mitt, and foam applicator pads to get the job done. Paint preparation is a snap with a box set of clay bars that extract embedded crud and Scratchx 2.0 that knocks out swirls. Gold Class Car Wash and Liquid Wax bring conditioners, Carnauba and polymer waxes together for an unparalleled shine. Quick Interior Detailer covers overall cabin cleanup, and teams up with one of our all-time favorite specialized Maguires products. Plastex is nothing short of miraculous for cleaning and polishing uncoated clear plastic surfaces like gauge covers. The quick detailer doubles as a clay bar lubricant or spot cleanups in between washes, and Endurance Tire Gel leaves a deep gloss finishing touch where the rubber meets the road. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.